we're now on this iconic black sand beach that every tourist goes to. We know this from last year. So this time we walked a little bit further than last year. 3 minutes further, you're kind of outside of the busy region. That's how lazy tourists are, I guess. We got a beautiful spot here with a rock wall, all kinds of nice shapes in it, and also a view on what is maybe unofficially called Troll's Fingers, these nice rock formations coming out of the water. And also we're nicely shaded from the wind here, so the models can warm up a little bit more and we can also not shout to the camera.
The city feels so dark when no one's around. We're sitting in my car. The silence is so loud. I don't know where the hell we ended.
Alright, we got 4 girls ready to shoot. Today we have something called, I called it the edgy look. A little bit of a rock and roll twist. I don't know why it made sense to be, but I thought like it's kind of a modern take on like the Vikings arriving on this black land. So let's try it out. We're gonna go a little bit higher up this stone structure thing so that we have a nice view on those Troll's Fingers, the arrival on the black beach. Let's try to capture that.
To keep the fire burning when you hurt me the way that you do. We're not going anywhere. It's always up in
Okay, I found one vantage point here where I can hide all the tourists that are still remaining on the less busy side behind some rocks. I can see Troll Finger popping up right there and the girls in the foreground. Let's try to capture that shot. Sarah is really channeling her inner Viking princess. I don't know how you call female Vikings, Vikingas. And it's looking great. I had her pick up like a sharp rock. She clearly enjoyed finding her murder weapon, I also noticed. Kind of just add more of that danger element to the photo. And with her posing, which is really channeling that, it is exactly capturing the mood I wanted with this outfit. So even though it's kind of like lingerie, rock meets rock and roll, it does look like a modern day Viking to me. I mean, I saw a nice little spot where it seems to be like leading lines and 2 contrasting sides, this like kind of troll finger nice in the middle. Alessia stood in there, she was just being herself, she didn't even know she was doing it, but she did an Alessia thing, which was the thing became her penis. So as you can see, maybe George is gonna show you.
I'll go ahead. That's the shot right there, so.
Right, we're gonna move to the end of the beach where I haven't been last year. So last year we made it this far and now we're gonna go even further. Doesn't seem like much, but I saw from Ari's photos last year that it looked pretty cool there with all the rocks coming out of the water. So let's go there for probably my last shot on this beach because the weather is getting a little bit cloudy. Might have some rain later, I hope not. But still gonna take advantage of this moment to capture some photos of Evelyn, who I still haven't shot with today. So let's go, skirt! Alright, we're gonna go for a very vulnerable pose of Evelyn in contrast with this very not vulnerable background. So let's try it out. Evelyn, give me your best.
I am so proud. It's his idea to grab
Puffin in the nest shot.
but you definitely get him he kind of sits there and looks at you a little bit.
Yeah.
Close up and he's like, bye.
Look at me fly.
And we're gone, but you see his little like nest afterwards. There it is. And then, yeah, so good. So good.
We came here last year as well. This is some cliff where the puffins breed on the cliffside. Pretty epic location. Kind of giving you a little bit of a tease now because in the background you just see the parking. If I turn around, bam! You got what they call the eternal black sand or the eternal black beach. I'm not sure right now. Here. So you got the cliffside with all the puffins nesting, the lighthouse.
Crouch or something, Josh?
No. How was your shoot?
Was amazing.
I just want to prove that you made it.
I just ride the stone.
It'll be a quick one. Better be quick. It's gonna get real cold.
Alright, quickly grabbed some life-threatening shots near the edge. That's what we do. And seems that there's a big rain cloud kind of passing through us at the moment because everything there has disappeared, which means that soon we will also disappear if we don't move now. So we're gonna head back to the car, maybe beat the clouds into that direction. Who knows, maybe there's another spot waiting for us. 'Cause Iceland is always full of surprises. This is a tiny little cave, which they made look like a little house on the outside. I don't know what it was for, but it looks pretty cool. And it's built right into, or the cave is right into a huge rock. So we're gonna show you that with the drone. We're inside that cave that I was outside just now. And it's kind of bigger than I expected. Last year I didn't go in, I just stayed in the car, it was too cold. It is actually very big. There's even a separate room here. So here you got the master bedroom. All right, this is MTV Cribs. A master bedroom.
Hobbit cribs. Now that you've ran away and had your nude shoot, how was it being nude on top of the Hobbit house?
Oh, I forgot to make a wish.
Oh, you didn't make a wish? It's okay, make one now, don't tell anybody, and then blow a kiss to the house. Successfully landed the drone. Actually, let me take that back. I took off and landed successfully on the roof of a car. So I think that
awesome.
Might qualify me as a professional drone pilot. We'll see. The footage may come after this, so then we can actually find out if what I did meant anything at all. But I did do that.
The next step is landing a jet airplane on a ship. That's kind of the logical next step.
I don't see any other, like, anything between that. Like,
Pro
$600
pilot, yeah.
Good.